Racing just is started. We have Wild Wind. First to show quickness at the start. Moving up on the outside. Jetborn. Hamza Alexis down on the inside. Substantial. Delgado comes next. Is Spellbinder. Then next online now is Jetborn. Moving up on the outside. Rosa Success. While RGA is the early trailer. Going along for the first turn. Wild Wind followed by Born Free and second. Hamza Alexis is racing in third. Delgado comes next. And on the outside, fourth, or rather fifth, is entry number 5. And this one is Jetborn. Back to the leader. We have Wild Wind by our length and a half. Born Free in second. Delgado. Hamza Alexis. Rosa Success comes next. Then next online is Substantial. And on the outside now is RGA. Jetborn and Spellbinder still racingless. Last 400 meters of the race. Now we have two entries. Fighting out for the lead. Wild Wind, Rosa Success. Delgado finds some opening down on the inside. We have Delgado now takes command. And on the outside, Wild Wind. Then here comes Substantial. A long shot on the outside. Delgado, Substantial moves on the outside. It's now Substantial, followed by Delgado. Then comes Wild Wind, Rosa Success, RGA.